Before we go through the features of Preddle and talk about how to do things, let's clarify what we hope to get out of it and the output in hand at the end of it. We basically want to end up with a model that reliably describes some aspect of human behavior in terms of known information. The model will be mathematical in nature, but should still be intuitive and describable, even without resorting to maths. This model can then be verified and used to make predictions about the future. The process of building the model enables us to see what information is important to know, i.e., what factors are predictive and what factors are irrelevant. We use either historical data that was observed or experimental data that was deliberately constructed to predict another outcome. If you are conducting a clinical trial on depression, say, you might want to build a model to predict the probability of someone having depression or the severity of that depression. For example, first we might have collected data on each person, including their sex, age, and marital status, and then continue collecting more data on them through the study period. Then we test each predictor and build a mathematical model of the probability of someone getting depression based on known information up to that point. Firstly, you get a predictive model at the end of it that includes predictors like age, sex, work status, and marital status. For other people outside the study, i.e. the general population, you might then be able to predict that, say, a 57-year-old retired single male would have a 78% probability of getting depression in the following 12 months. Secondly, along the process of building the model, you get to see what information from your data is important and what isn't. Maybe the person's marital status is important. We say marital status is statistically significant or highly predictive. Maybe the person's age is not important. It is not statistically significant or not predictive. The process of getting to the final model and the insights you glean along the way are just as important, if not more important, than the final model itself. As we work through the examples in the rest of the videos, we show you how to build up more complex models, taking many variables into account at once, and how to construct more complex models to show moderating and mediating effects and other things of interest to social science researchers.